How do you make a cool coin effect in Unity? Follow these steps. If you want to add coins to the scene, drag those 4 sprites. The coin will automatically generate an animation. Just name it whatever you want. Now, when you have the coin in your scene, you need to add the script. The script consists of these parts: public particle system and void onTriggerEnter. 2D, because it's a 2D project. In the onTriggerEnter 2D, you need these lines of code. First, you have to check if the coin is colliding with player. If collision GameObject tag equals player. Particles play. This plays the particle system, which will be explained in the later part of the video. And destroy GameObject. However, to avoid your object being destroyed and not releasing any particle effect, you need to add 1F. So save the script and go back to Unity. Now, here is the part of how to make the particle system. Right-click in the hierarchy, Effects, Particle System. The particle system looks so stunning. If you want to create something like this, you need to do these steps. Set your favorite color of the particle system. Change the shape to sphere. Add the burst. Reduce the duration to 2 or 1. And the maximum particles should be something around 30 or 50. Start lifetime should be the same as the duration. Play on awake should be set to false. Now the animation won't be looping and playing awake. In the renderer, you should select the default sprite. But it's too big. Go to the start size and resize it back to 0.3, for example. And to make those particles become smaller, go to size over lifetime. And here are the curves. You want it to become smaller, so you should use this curve. Alright, so this makes a cool burst effect. Here's how it looks like. You can change the settings as you like. Now it's time to add the particle system and make it work. Drag the particle system to the game object. As you can see, I have already dragged it. So when I click the particle system, it becomes highlighted. But here's what happens. The particle system is playing, but the coin is still the same size. If you want the coin to be animated, like becoming smaller when you collect it, you have to do this. Go to the coin and animation. Inside the animation, you need to add a new clip. I will name it Coin Collect and save it to the Game Assets folder. I will uncheck the loop time, because this won't be a loop animation. And you also need to add a new script part, which will be anim_set_trigger, because the trigger will be played every time. So to make that trigger, you need to go to Animator, add trigger, call it collect, and join it. Uncheck has exit time and add this condition for the trigger. You also need to put the animation. Make it like this. Go to coin. The animation that is called coin now needs to be changed to coin collect. Add transform scale, but not in the main animation. I will delete it, the keyframe for the scale. Go to coin collect and click record. Add key. And here is the key for the 0. Look at this. How smooth animation. I like it. I just have to repeat. In the C# script, you need to add the introduction to the animator component. Public animator anim. I will call it animCoin, but you can call it anim. And just use the set trigger. And try to play the game to see how it looks like. Make sure to click and drag the coin into the anim component. And for the particle system, it also needs to be dragged in the coin script. Do the same with all coins. Now, as you can see, the coin is scaling and playing the particle system. Amazing! I also have a plan to make more tutorials for some elementary things in Unity. Stay tuned and consider subscribing. Have a good day.